Welcome to our beloved mom, to my beloved mom's delightful food recipes. And today we have mango and sticky rice. This one is a sticky rice, and what you do is to cook them just like this. You are cooking rice, and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And all my 22 books, yes, 22, including Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes, that's my beautiful beloved mom, are available worldwide, all my 22 books, in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. Ebook and Kindle means that you could upload my mom's cookbook and all my 22 books in your computer, excuse me please. And you'll find them as well at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmscd.com, Juanita Gutierrez, and so I'm inviting you all, after cooking rice, the sticky rice, we're going to have the dessert. And our dessert is, in Tagalog, we call Mangga at Suman, mango and sweet sticky rice. And I'm going to add in, spread sliced almonds, right so, in our natural dessert, mango and sticky rice. This is really very delicious. That's our sliced almonds. And then we are going to spread it with sweetened toasted coconut flakes. I wish you're all here with me so you could smell the aroma. It's so beautiful, delicious coconut flakes. And then we flavor them like so. Our mango and sweet sticky rice we call Mangga at Suman. And easy does it, isn't it? Now we're going to enjoy our Mangga at Suman, or mango and sweet sticky rice. But come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. This is your fork, and then this is our spoon. But first we have to bless our food. Isn't that important? Mighty I am presence, accept this food, make it pure and holy, transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects on our bodies with the speed of thought for our self-sustain. And so it is done, beloved I am. Now we're ready to dig in. Come on and eat. Let's see here. Oh my, this is one of my favorite desserts that my mom always cooked for us. Let's have some coconut flakes toasted and with the sliced almonds. Let's see here. For you and me and all of us. Yum. I love, excuse me please, this is mouth-watering indeed. I love the sweet aroma of the sweet sticky rice with toasted coconut flakes, and also we call that in Tagalog palabok. And then we have our sliced almonds, and then we're going to taste it with mango. That's why this dessert is called Mangga at Suman. For you and me and all of us, yum. Oh my goodness, this is super, super delicious. You're gonna love this as I do. Come on and eat, you're all invited my table. Let's enjoy Mangga at Suman. And we cook this just like you cook rice. And we get the slices of mangoes. And there you have it. Mangga at Suman or mango with sweet sticky rice. Super delicious, super nutritious. Anytime you like it, anytime you want it. Yum. Enjoy. Happy cooking. And I would like to thank, first of all, honor the God in me, in you, and all of us. And I honor my beloved parents, all my brothers and sisters, and all of you, my wonderful fellow divine beings. Those who follow me, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe, and all my wonderful subscribers. Thank you all so very much. Happy cooking. Enjoy. Yum. Mmm.